Hello, my name is Lochan Sidhu from 5th Sem EC. Today I am going to talk you about the topic called as solar energy and its benefits. Solar energy is the energy that comes from the sun. Solar energy is the energy obtained by capturing heat and light from the sun. Energy from the sun is referred to as solar energy. It is considered a green technology because it does not emit greenhouse gases. World Energy Conservation predicted estimate about the rate of utilization of energy resources shows that the coal deposits will deplete within the next 200 to 300 years and petroleum deposits will deplete in the next few decades. The most advantage using solar energy is that this is distributed over a wide geographical area, ensuring that developing regions such as India have access to electricity generation at a stable cost for a long-term future. The huge composition of fossil fuels have caused visible damage to environment in various forms. The current solar energy consumption over the world is around 4 or 5.8 quadrillion BTU. You can also see some of the percentage of the distribution of the core materials like natural gas, coal, renewable energy, nuclear electric power, petroleum, etc. How does the solar panel works? When sunlight hits the solar panel and absorbed by semiconducting materials like silicon, electrons are knocked loose from their atoms, which allow them to flow through the material to produce electricity. This process is called the photovoltaic effect. An array of solar panels converts solar energy into DC electricity. The DC electricity enters an inverter. The inverter turns DC electricity into an 120 volt AC. The AC power enters the utility panel in the house. The electricity is then distributed to the appliances or lights in the house. When more energy is generated, it can be stored in the battery as DC current and will continue to supply your home with electricity in the event of power backup. When the battery is full, the excess electricity can be exported back to the utility grid if your system is connected to it. Utility supplied electricity can also be drawn from the grid when not enough solar energy is produced. The flow of electricity in and out of the utility grid is measured by utility meter, which spins backwards and forwards. The two are offset, ensuring that you can only pay for the additional energy you use from the utility company. The advantages of solar energy are the sun is absolutely free. Production of solar energy produces no pollution. Technological advancements in solar energy systems have made them extremely cost effective. Most systems do not require any maintenance during their lifespan, which means you never have to put money into them. Also, there are some of the drawbacks for solar energy, like although it is free in cost, in the building of collectors and other equipment required to convert solar energy or hot water. It does not cause pollution. However, solar collectors and other associated equipments in the manufactured in the factories that can cause some pollution. Solar energy can be used in remote areas where it is too expensive to extend power electricity power grid. Many everyday items like calcs and other low power consuming devices can be powered by solar energy. It is estimated that the world's oil reserves will last for 30 or 40 years. On the other hand, solar energy is infinite. The practical applications are it is used to power and run the auto rickshaws and it is used to design the boards using the solar panels like Helios, which is manufactured by NASA. It is also used to charge the street lights and used in cooking in rural areas. Conclusion. So we can say that solar energy is a clean, pollution-free and renewable source of energy. The benefits of solar power to the environment include the provision of an inexhaustible supply of energy from the sun. Solar power captures the sun's energy with no harm to the environment. Therefore, solar power is easier to health impacts, land use, water, carbon emissions than energy generating means such as natural gas in fossil fuels and coal energy plants. The initial cost of purchasing the solar system is fairly high. So, solar panels are dependent on sunlight to effectively gather solar energy. Therefore, a few cloudy rainy days can have the noticeable effect on the energy system. Thank you.